Oh, kids, I need you guys to, all these kids need to stand up. Oh, Demir's here. Waiting for Demir here. Who's up on the front row with Demir? Pete, you're who?
That's John.
Okay, who's that driving right there?
That's you. That's the second row.
You're not there, buddy.
Yeah, you're not there.
Back.
Second one.
Demir is with.
Demir's in the front row. Yes. All right. You guys need to pay attention, guys. You've done this before. Delay, delay, delay. Quarter marshals, be alert. Drivers, get ready to go on the toe. Look at this. Almost an ALMS start here. Made it interesting. And there it is. Take it easy, guys. Take it easy. So right now, Albert Langerica out to the early lead. That is the silver Courage, closely followed by Henry Pund. Henry got his car working pretty good. Don't let him take a look. Close that door. Rose, 17th girl. Fastest car on the track is Jim Rose in third spot right now. Oh, he's reeling these guys. 16.6. Reeling these guys hard. Oh, there's the mistake. Goodbye. Jim Rose trying to get at Langerica. Langerica to Rose. Those are leaders coming up on you. Wow, the corner speed of Rose is ridiculous. He's figuring them carpet tires are working. Oh, and that is it. Like it was an F1 car. Bump and done. Albert Langerica, Jim Rose, Henry Pund. Actually, Henry taking up with that second spot. Rose will fall back maybe to the fourth spot. So Chin. So Langerica, Pund, Chin. Here comes Rose back in the third spot. Quickest car on the track is Jim Rose. He's still sitting in the third spot, reeling Henry like a trout. So Albert Langerica, Henry Pund, Jim Rose. Jim just buying that thing directly from eBay, slapping it on the track. Langerica negotiating traffic. Nice and smooth. Henry Pund. Jim Rose. Nice patience. Oh! I think that's called a peel. You just got peeled bad. Henry got peeled. Let him go, Mike. That is your second place car. Valentine, please let him go. Thank you very much. So Langerica, nope, still running strong. There's two silver cars out there. So our leader entering the straight. Rose, nice and tight. Comparing lap times, 0.8 of a second faster than Langerica. I think he may be able to catch him with 2 minutes and 33 seconds to go. It's Langerica, Rose, Pund, Chin, Ferrario, Hui, Vasutin, Pete, Demir, and Mike. Dead car in the straight. Valentine. This is unlike him. This is the guy who's won every last F103 GT race. Having issues right now. 1 and 2 on the back straight. Coming up on the timing and scoring. Right through the fish hook. Wow. Oh, nice slide there by backing it into the corner. Rose Rose throwing the car, dotting it there, giving Langeroog a little breathing room. 1 and 2 about half a straightaway's distance from each other, but Rose closes in quick. 0.7 seconds behind. I know your guys' motors are about to explode. They have to be. Leader's pace right now, 22.604, 0.4. 0.9 for Rose, 3/10 back, closing in hard on the backside of our leader. That's the silver car. They've got about another lap before they hit lap traffic, maybe a little less. Langeroog in and out. Nice, look, good look by Rose. Keep it clean, guys. That is your leader. Oh, second place dots it. Game over for that black hat, Mikey. Payback. Was that blatant or what? It's all good. 44 seconds to go, drivers. Langeroog looks like he's got this one wrapped up. Rose driving. Hard. Double and triple counter steering. I think, yeah, looks like Langeroog's got this one wrapped up. Langeroog or Rose, Chin holding strong in the third spot. Ferrario moving up to the fourth. Henry Pun fifth, that's top 5. 15 seconds, drivers, 15 seconds. Don't make any mistakes. Oh, Henry Pun's car is done. I wanted to tell you guys you can't overgear these things. 3 seconds. The race is over. Keep going, try car now. Ferrario's done. Oh, nice! Good race! What happened? I don't know. 0.2 seconds.